Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to lock picture in table cell in Word. For this you need to click on the insert and click on the table and select the one by one table. You can manually adjust the row height like this one as per your requirement, or either you can right click and click on the table properties. So under the row tab you need to check the specify height. Click on this and put the specific height, for example 2 inch, and change the row height is to exactly. And now click on the table tab and click on the options and uncheck the automatically resize to fit content and click OK. So make sure set text wrapping to the around and click on the positioning to define the exact offset relative to the page or margin. Here you can select the right and relative to the margin, and you can select the vertical position. This is the horizontal position, and uncheck the move with text and click OK and click OK to proceed. And now place your cursor inside the cell and then go to the insert and click on the picture and click on this device and select the picture from your computer folder. I'll be having this picture. You can adjust the image size to match the cells. And now select the table and click on this four-sided arrow and go to the table design and click on the border and select the no border. So now you can resize it as per your requirement like this one and place the position where you want to put in. So once you are happy with the size and position, you can enter and you can see that the image is not moving and it has been locked in the cell. So this is pretty easy and simple. I hope you understand how you can lock picture in table cell in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.